Welcome to MockHat, the AI-powered tool designed specifically for English teachers like you. Say goodbye to hours, no entire weekends, spent marking handwritten exams. With MockHat, you'll save precious time while delivering world-class feedback to your students. In this short video, you'll see exactly how MockHat works and discover how you can get the most out of it. First things first, let's get you set up with a MockHat account. Don't have one yet? No problem, it's quick and easy. Whether you're teaching at an academy, school, or flying solo, simply enter the name you'd like for your account, followed by your own details, your first name, surname, email address, and a secure password. Agree to our terms and services, and you're almost there. After signing up, you'll get a confirmation email. Double-check your inbox and your spam folder just in case to confirm your email address. Once confirmed, you're all set and ready to dive into MockHat. Great! Now that your email is confirmed, logging into MockHat is easy. Simply head back to the website, either by clicking the link you received via email or by visiting mockhat.com directly. Click Login, enter your email and password, and you're ready to go. Now let's set up your first class. MockHat organizes everything around three key elements: classes, students, and assessments. Once logged in, simply click on the Create a Class button on the right-hand side. Give your class a clear name, let's say B1 Intensive, April 25th, and add a helpful description like Evening Course. Next, select your educational institution or system, such as Cambridge or Bachillerato. If you're using Cambridge, pick the correct level, like B1, and your class is ready to go. With your class created, it's time to add your students. Simply click the three-dot menu under your class name and select Add Member. Enter your student's first name and surname. Adding their email address is optional, and click Create. Repeat this quick step for each student, making sure they're marked as active, and your class roster will be set in no time. Now that your students are ready, let's create your first assessment. It's quick and easy. Inside your class, click on Assessments and then choose Add an Assessment. Give it a clear name, like Test 1. Select the qualification type, such as Cambridge English qualifications, and then pick the specific task you're assigning, for example, an email. Next, upload an image of your email task activity. MockHat instantly transcribes your uploaded image. Check the transcription, make edits if needed, or confirm everything looks good. Once you're satisfied, click OK, and your assessment is ready. Now it's time to add your students' handwritten responses, and MockHat makes this quick and easy, especially from your smartphone. Of course, you can use your computer too, but using your mobile is usually faster. Simply open your mobile browser, go to mockhat.com and log in. Select your class, tap on your assessment, and choose Perform Assessment. Now, student by student, snap a clear photo of their handwritten work and upload it directly. Once you've finished uploading all the answers, hit Start Assessment, and MockHat will immediately begin correcting. Within seconds or minutes, you'll get an email notification letting you know when your feedback is ready. Checking feedback with MockHat is straightforward and insightful, especially from your desktop. Head back to mockhat.com, log in, and go to your class. Click on the assessment to see how each student performed. Let's review Paco's writing as an example. Here you'll find the task instructions clearly transcribed, the student's handwritten answer converted into readable text, and detailed AI-generated feedback. On the right-hand side, you'll see scores for content, communicative achievement, organization, and language. Feel free to adjust these scores manually if you wish. Additionally, MockHat highlights specific errors in red, offering clear suggestions for improvements. Once done, you can save all your scores and download the assessment as a PDF, perfect for sharing with your students or keeping organized records. What could have taken you hours of deciphering handwriting is now neatly completed in just minutes, leaving you more time to focus on teaching and providing world-class feedback to your students.